Picture this: a world of high-stakes, rapid-fire action, where fortunes are made or lost in the blink of an eye. Welcome to the adrenaline-fueled world of Forex trading. Here, the thrill of the chase is matched only by the exhilaration of victory. Every decision must be quick, calculated, and precise as you navigate the tumultuous seas of price movements. Imagine yourself, a cunning predator, stalking your prey, waiting for that perfect moment to strike. But remember, in this fast-paced world, your success hinges on one crucial factor: choosing the right currency pairs to trade. So, what makes a currency pair ideal for scalping? Let's break it down. Forex scalping is all about making quick trades to capitalize on small price movements. It's a strategy that thrives on speed and precision. To be successful in this high-velocity trading environment, certain characteristics of currency pairs become crucial. First off, high liquidity is key. Liquidity refers to the ability to buy or sell an asset without causing a significant price change. In the world of Forex scalping, a highly liquid market means more opportunities to make trades, and therefore more opportunities for profit. Pairs like the Euro-US dollar, the British pound US dollar, and the US dollar Japanese yen are typically high in liquidity, making them prime scalping targets. Next up, low spreads. The spread is the difference between the bid price and the ask price of a currency pair. The lower the spread, the less the price needs to move in your favor before you start making a profit. Low spreads combined with high liquidity can give scalpers the edge they need to turn quick trades into tangible gains. Finally, consistent price movements. Forex scalping is not about making a fortune on a single trade. It's about making small profits repeatedly. For this, you need currency pairs that show consistent price movements. Stable and predictable trends can be a scalper's best friend, allowing them to strategize and execute trades with confidence. Each currency pair has its unique characteristics influenced by different factors. For instance, the GBP-USD and USD-JPY pairs are known for their volatility and strong trends, while the USD-CAD pair is often influenced by oil prices. The AUD-USD pair, on the other hand, tends to move with commodity prices. Understanding these factors can help scalpers choose their battles wisely and increase their chances of success. Now that we've set the stage, it's time to meet the stars of the show, the easiest Forex pairs to trade for scalpers. Roll out the red carpet for our first pair, EUR-USD. This pair is the Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie of the Forex world. Everyone loves them, and they always deliver a solid performance. Next up, we have GBP-USD. This pair is like a high-octane action movie, known for its volatility and strong trends. It's a roller coaster ride that can go from 0 to 100 in a heartbeat. Then we have the USD-JPY. This pair is like a seasoned character actor, always delivering consistent performances. It's the Tom Hanks of currency pairs, reliable, steady, and always a good bet. Next in line is the USD-CAD. Picture this pair as a gripping drama influenced by oil prices. It's like a movie where the plot twists and turns with the changing global oil market. Last but not least is the AUD-USD. This pair is like a blockbuster adventure film influenced by commodity prices. It's the Indiana Jones of the Forex world, thrilling, exciting, and always on the move. Each of these pairs has its own unique characteristics and factors influencing their price movements. But what they all have in common is high liquidity and low spreads, making them the go-to choices for scalpers. And there you have it, the easiest Forex pairs to trade for scalpers. With these pairs in your arsenal, you're well equipped to conquer the world of Forex trading. So, are you ready to dive into the exhilarating world of Forex scalping with these power pairs? It's time to make your move. Choose the right pair, the one that speaks to your trading style and strategy. Remember, success in this field comes from continuous learning and refining your skills. Be patient, stay vigilant, and always keep an eye on the market trends. As you tread along this exciting path, know that every step is a step towards mastering the art of Forex trading. If you want more tips and tricks to navigate the thrilling seas of Forex trading, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more exciting videos.